Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn climate change important MCQs. First question is which of the following greenhouse gases has the highest global warming potential over 100-year time horizon? Its answer is option D, sulfur hexafluoride. Next question. According to the IPCC, what is the primary human activity responsible for the rapid increase in atmospheric CO2 concentration since the Industrial Revolution? Its answer is option C, burning of fossil fuels. Next question. Which of the following climate feedback mechanism is generally considered the strongest positive amplifying feedback in the current warming climate? Its answer is option A, increased plant growth due to CO2 fertilization. Next question. What is the most widely accepted upper limit of global temperature increase compared to pre-industrial levels that the international community aims to stay well below according to the Paris Agreement? Its answer is option B, 2 Celsius. And next question, which of the following phenomena is not considered a direct consequence of climate change according to current scientific consensus? Its answer is option C. Next question. Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in the year. Its answer is option B, 2015. Next question. The primary goal of the Paris Agreement is to. Its answer is option A, limit global warming to well below 2 Celsius.